Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating AI videos with OpenArt lets you generate cinematic clips, animations or talking videos all without filming anything. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make AI videos on OpenArt in 2026 simple and powerful. So first thing first, open the video generator. So go to OpenArt, okay, log into your account, navigate to AI video or video generator. Okay, so you have here many options. So we have here story, we have here video, we have here image, character, world, audio. Okay, so look for tools like text to video, for example, or image to video. So let's choose this. Okay, so choose your method after that. So open one like we have now, text to video, create video from a prompt, for example. So beginners start with text to video. Write a strong prompt, like your prompts defines the results. Okay, so for example, we have this prompt: cinematic sunsets over ocean, slow camera movements, soft lighting, realistic style. Okay, includes like subject, motion, style, lighting. So clear prompts means better videos. Okay, so set video settings like duration, like starts from or with 3 to 5 seconds, resolution to style, realistic, anime, etc. So you have to make it or keep it simple first. Okay, now generate the video. Okay, so click generate with wait for processing after that, and AI creates your clip. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.